The circle's radius can be described as the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference of that circle, half a circle's width. It is an important property of a circle and its value can be found with the help of a simple formula. How to find the radius of a circle? In the most cases, we should be able to find the radius from a circle fairly easily. It is the distance from the center of the circle to a point anywhere on the outer perimeter of the circle, also referred to as the semi-perimeter of circle. When we cannot find the radius, we can normally find the diameter instead. The diameter is the longest distance that passes through the circle, from one side to the other. The radius of a circle calculation requires us to first know the surface area or volume of the circle. Once we have the area, we can then use that within out equation. We must divide the area by pi, 3.14, then get the square root of the result. Why do we calculate radius? The main reasons why we calculate the radius is to use the value in other equations. Using the radius we can perform calculations to measure the circumference or the area of the circle. Knowing the radius also enables us to measure the diameter of the circle, giving a clearer picture of the dimensions of the circle. When to use radius? You can use the radius of a circle when solving an equation where the radius is needed, such as finding the area of the circle, finding the circumference of the circle, or finding the average radius of a group of circles. Obtaining the radius value is possible when you only have limited information about the measurements of the circle. If you know the surface area or volume of the circle, the value can be used to help determine the radius. What is the formula for radius of a circle? The formula for the radius of a circle is radius equals circumference divided by 2x pi. Alternatively, radius can found using the area of a circle. Take the area and divide it by pi, 3.14, and then get the square root. An easier way to calculate the radius of a circle is to use a radius calculator to make the process easier. We've added a link to the video description for you to use. We hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, then make sure to like this video and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.